114 grams. Oh, 5620. Oh, God.
Low sodium snacks part one. My name is Nigel. I'm a registered dietitian, and you guys always ask me about low sodium snacks because it helps reduce your blood pressure, overall heart disease, cholesterol, diabetes, weight loss. Like reducing your sodium is so great, and I want to show you what I've been enjoying. So when we talk about low sodium, anything less than 140 milligrams per serving is considered low sodium, or if the percentage is less than 5% on the nutrition label, and I will show you that. So let's get into it. The first are pop corners, and I'm gonna show a close up. These pop corners are their new flavor. It's jalapeno poppers. These are so good. I bought the last 3 at my store, and it's only at one Kroger, like not the Kroger near me. I had to go further. It's so good. This is gonna be in the reduced sodium category. There is 150 milligrams per serving, and that contains about 17 crisp, and I'll show you what that looks like. It's a really good amount, and it comes to 6% of your daily value on the nutrition label. Guys, these are so good. And popcorn has so many different flavors. What's your favorite? I'm loving the jalapeno popper. I love keto and white cheddar. Those are so far my favorite. And I'm gonna start with things that I got from Kroger first and then go into Aldi because those are the 2 stores. Next, now these are snacks slash they're salad toppers. I love these. So I'm gonna go over the 3 that I have. I have crispy jalapeno, crispy dill, and crispy onions. So these are salad toppers. You can put a sandwich. You kind of put them on anything, or you can eat them by themselves as snacks. And so each one of these have the same amount of sodium, which is, oh no, actually these are different. So this one is 40 milligrams per serving, only 2% for a tablespoon and a half, which means you can definitely have a nice amount. That's why I love this. This one is 15, I just almost 15 milligrams. 15 milligrams per serving. And this is 1 tablespoon for the serving size. And then the deal is 40 milligrams per serving. So these are very low in sodium. I use them as salad toppers. So if you want to crunch to your salad, these are so good. And they have wontons, they have tortilla strips. Like if you want to add, I guess I'm talking too much. If you want to add these to your salad, they're amazing. But you can also eat them by themselves. And that's, every time I have them, I get a little handful, which is about a tablespoon of the amount I get. Oh, they're so good. So good. Have you guys tried them? Again, let me know your favorite, and then I will show you guys what the portion looks like up close. Next, last Kroger thing. This one's a random one in here. This is croissant loaf. I don't know if you guys have seen this. It was recommended to me on TikTok when I was making sandwiches. So the bread is made in croissant form, but it's cut like a loaf of bread. This is so good. So good. This has 125 milligrams of sodium. So this is gonna be considered low sodium, and it's just for 1 slice, but it's so thick and fluffy that you only need about 1 slice. It's so good. You have to try this if you haven't. So these are the items that I got from Kroger. Now let's switch to Aldi. So at Aldi, and the Aldi one's gonna be short cheese. These are going to be considered reduced sodium because the cheese I got. They do have low sodium in different ones. So this one is the habanero jack, and this is 135 milligrams. Because of the size of the stick, it comes to about 6%. So I would still put this in a low sodium. And then this is Gouda, and it's so good. And it's 170 milligrams, 7% of your daily value. So again, that puts it in reduced. But this also has 5 grams of protein, so that's pretty nice as well. These are so good and convenient. I like them better than some of the other like string cheeses and things like that because they taste fake. Like, you guys know what I'm talking about. Like, this tastes so fresh. Like, you have a cheese and cracker board. Like, these are really good. So I would definitely recommend. And then the last one that I just picked up is gonna be this strawberry shortcake granola. This is good, guys, but this is very sweet. It's so good. I like to put it on my plain Greek yogurt because plain Greek yogurt has no flavor, and this brings it in. And I usually do a low sugar Greek yogurt because the only downside about this one, and it just, if you have to watch it, is that it is higher in sugar. So that's the only downside, but it only has 105 milligrams per serving, which is really great. It's dairy free. It has 33 grams of whole grains. It's a good source of fiber and iron, and it's low in saturated fat. So it has some good things. It's just high in added sugar. So it includes 13 grams of added sugar, which comes to 26%. Anything higher than 20% when you see it on that nutrition label is gonna be considered high. So those will be the only, I don't want to say downside, but that would just be something to be mindful of if you have to watch your sugar. I don't have to watch my sugar as a registered dietitian. I just like to and be mindful. So when I saw the sugar amount, I knew that I wanted to pair it with something that was low sugar, and that's what I do with the Greek yogurt. So these are the things that I just picked up that I've been trying out. I always do low sodium snacks for you guys, so I will bring out some more, but these are just the new ones that I had to share because they're so good. And I had to make sure I had backup because y'all buy everything out. Let me know if you tried any things. Which one do you like and what do you want me to add more? Again, I'm gonna show you different portions and kind of show you what I do with these snacks. I hope you enjoy more videos like this, and all of my postpartum moms, these are great for one, to give you some nutrients. You're gonna need that to stay full. If you're breastfeeding or if you're just overall being a mom, okay? And also help with healing because these have nutrients such as protein, a good source of whole grains in some of these. So these are things to be mindful of when picking a snack. I hope this helps you guys. Like, comment, and share because you know I got you guys. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.